Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu Ilmakmunah. In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about interpreting. Interpreting is the act of transferring a message from one language to another through spoken words, or it can be concluded that interpreting is the oral form of translation. Well, what is the difference between translation and interpreting? Well, the differences between translation and interpreting, the first is modes of communication. For translation, it involves written communication, and for interpreting, it involves spoken communication. And the second is skill required. For translation, it needs writing skill, deep understanding of grammar, text structure, and for interpreting, it needs listening skill, memorizing, and speaking. And the third is timing. Translation is delay time, have time to research, revise, and refine. And for interpreting it's real time, there is no time to research, accurate understanding. And the last is the participants. For translation, those are the translator, the readers. We call it as one direction activity. And the interpreting, the speaker, the interpreter, the listener, and it calls us to direction activity. And next, the history of interpreting. The first is ancient era. The interpreters are found in Egypt. They usually became interpreted by an accident and colonial era, expansion of Columbus in the New World, who brought several Indians when he came back to Spain. He asked them to learn Spanish so that they could help him communicate. And the third is early times. Conference interpreting appeared in 1919 after English started to be the first language replacing French. At the time, US President and Prime Minister of UK were unable to speak French. And the last one is modern era. In the modern era, interpreting has advanced with technology. Modes of interpreting. The first is simultaneous interpreting. The interpreter listens and speaks simultaneously with the source speaker, usually with the help of headphone and a microphone. The mode is common in international conference. And the second is consecutive interpreting. The interpreter waits for the speaker to finish speaking or to complete part of the speech, then delivers the interpretation in the target language. This mode is used in business meetings or court. There are many types of interpreting. These are whispered interpreting, side interpreting, conference interpreting, escort interpreting, bilateral interpreting, telephone interpreting, television interpreting, video conference interpreting, community interpreting, court interpreting, and medical interpreting. That's all. I do apologize for every single mistake that I did. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching.